अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया'i वल मुरसलीन अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अन अबी सईद अल-खुदरी रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हु क़ाल ख़रज अलैना रसूलुल्लाहि सल्लल्लाहु तआला अलैहि वसल्लम व नहनु नतज़ाकरुल मसीह अद-दज्जाल फ़क़ाल अला उख़बिरुकुम बिमा हुवा अख़वफ़ु अलैकुम इंदी मिनल मसीह अद-दज्जाल फ़क़ुलना बला या रसूलल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु तआला अलैहि वसल्लम क़ाल अश-शिर्कुल ख़फ़ी अन यक़ूम ar-रजुलु फ़युसल्ली फ़यज़ीद सलातहु लिमा यरा मिन नज़रि रजुलिन रवाहु इब्न माजाह रज़ियल्लाहु। Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiallahu ta'ala anhu narrates that once we, after Salah, we were gathered, some Sahaba, we were gathered and we were talking about Al-Masih ad-Dajjal, the Antichrist. So mainly we were discussing the sign of Qiyamah and we were discussing the time of Dajjal, which will be very, very difficult time, the fitna of Dajjal. So Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala sallam heard us talking about Dajjal. Nabi Paak alayhi salatu salam said, Ala ukhbirukum bimma huwa akhwafu alaykum indi min al-Masih ad-Dajjal. You are talking about Dajjal, but shall I tell you the thing which I fear upon you more than Dajjal? क्या मैं तुमको ऐसी चीज़ की खबर न दूँ कि जिसका मुझे तुम के ऊपर दज्जाल से ज़्यादा खौफ है? So I fear more than the Dajjal about my ummah after me, because Dajjal would come at the end of the time, and before that you don't have fear of Dajjal, and when Dajjal would come, so many people would be protected from Dajjal with the will of Allah Azza wa Jal. So it is very big fitna of Dajjal, but shall I tell you which I fear more than Dajjal? What is it? فَقُلْنَا بَلَا. We said, why not ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? قَالَ الشِّرْكُ الْخَفِيِّ. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that I fear shirkul khafi from you more than Dajjal. What is shirkul khafi? Ar-riya, showing off. That the chance of riya, showing off, is with everyone. Basically there are two types of shirk: ashirkul jali or ashirkul akbar, which is obviously the kufr, to associate the partner with Allah Azza wa Jal, that is kufr, or to worship other than Allah Azza wa Jal. And second, ashirkul khafi, which is haram, ar-riya, ashirkul khafi. So ar-riya means to perform any act of worship and ibadah not for the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal, just to please people, just to show off people, लोगों को दिखाने के लिए अमल करना. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam described ashirkul al-khafi. Rasulullah alayhi salam said, an yaqum ar-rajulu, a person stands in namaz. What is shirkul khafi? A person stands in namaz, fayusalli, and he reads namaz, fayazida salatahu, he increases his namaz, or he prolonged his namaz. Why? Lima yara min nadr rajulin, because he noticed that someone else is looking at him. Just because of that he increases his namaz, or he prolonged his namaz. यानी वो अपनी नमाज को इस वजह से बढ़ा दे कि कोई उसको देख रहा है, और अगर कोई उसको नहीं देख रहा तो अपनी नमाज को जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ के जान छुड़ा दे. So if no one is looking at him, so he quickly reads his namaz, and if he notices that so someone is looking at me, so he reads namaz properly. So basically his intention is not for the pleasure of Allah, his intention is to please him, or maybe he thinks good of me. That is called ashirkul khafi, ar-riya. So it does not specified with the namaz and salah only, with every act of worship: sadaqah, charity, fasting, tahajjud, recitation of Quran, helping other. So the concept and element of riya is present. So that's very important to correct our intention, that whenever we perform any act of worship, we should perform just for the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal, because if we want to please people, they won't be able to do anything on the day of judgment. Allah Azza wa Jal is the one who gives jaza and thawab. And according to another hadith, yaqulullahu, Allah Azza wa Jal would say, yawma yujazi al-ibada bi amalihim, the day Allah Ta'ala would give reward to his servant. Allah Ta'ala would say, इज़हबू इलल्लज़ीना कुंतुम तराऊना मिन फ़िद दुनिया, गो टू दोज़ पीपल who you used to show, go to them and seek reward from them, यानी जिनकी खातिर तुम अमल किया करते थे, जिनको दिखाने के लिए, जाओ उन्हीं से जाकर तुम अपने अमाल का बदला लो, and they won't be able to do anything. So may Allah will give us ability to be sincere and to have ikhlas in our ibadat, and Allah's will, tawfiq is from Allah's will. We make dua that may Allah will give us ability to have ikhlas and sincerity in our worship. Amin bijahi Nabil Amin sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.
आमदे रमज़ान है, आमदे रमज़ान है, आमदे रमज़ान है, आमदे रमज़ान है।